Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to cover one more exciting opportunity for all the students from the School of Technology as well as the Computer Science. So this is the premier organization from the Tata Group here, and they are organizing one event called STCS VIGYAN VIDUSHI 2025. So from 2021, they are organizing this kind of event, just kind of summer school. So 2 weeks of program, they are going to train all the students with a free of cost, and they are going to provide free accommodation, free travel, and free training, so that we can have good opportunity to interact with various eminent personalities all over the India. So now, when we go for the official web page here, as we can see, STCS Vignan Vidishi 2025. So when we click on this, official web page is going to be opened here. So here, when we come to the scheme name we can call as STCS Vignan Vidishi 2025 program is a summer school to introduce women with undergraduate as well as the postgraduate background to advanced topics in computer science. That means they are going to provide 2 weeks of training for all the women students, those who are doing second year UG or the PG, or those who completed UG and PG. For them also, they are going to provide the free training for the students. One candidate has to be in second year, that is from second year. If you are in third year or fourth year, or if you completed UG or if you completed PG, then you are eligible to apply. So the 2 week program is going to be held in between 16th of June to 27th of June 2025 at TIFR Mumbai campus. So Tata Institute of Foundational Research, which is also one very good organization from Tata Group. So in this campus, they are going to organize these 2 weeks of short-term training. So for this training, the faculty members from STCS, that is School of Technology and Computer Science, and Tata Institute of Foundation Research. Apart from that, there are eminent professors will come to address the candidates or to address the participants regarding the various technologies as well as the advanced techniques. So they are going to have a problem solving sessions as well as to enhance the student understanding. They are going to organize a problem solving sessions during these 2 weeks of training. So this program will aims to provide the participants exposure in contemporary topics in theoretical computer science as well as system sciences. Then also promote research in computer science as a career among the women. So they are going to promote interactions as well as the introduce participants to life as a researcher. This is a very good theme, life as a researcher. Some of the eminent persons from famous IIT like IIT Madras, IIT Mumbai, they are also coming to address the participants. So the complete details here, when we click on the application, as you can see, the venue is TIFR, Tata Institute of Foundational Research Mumbai, and the duration is the 16th June to 27th of June 2025, and participants are expected to arrive 15th June 2025. So by 15th June 2025, you have to reach the campus, TIFR campus. As we know, this event is organized by the Tata Group. They are going to provide everything for you. They are going to provide free training. Once again, I'm repeating, they are going to provide training free and accommodation free, traveling free, as well as whatever the resources they are going to provide, every resource is free of cost. And when we come to the eligibility, as we discussed here, when we come to the eligibility, the program is intended only for women who have completed or currently in their second year of undergraduate education in computer science related courses, EEE, ECE, Maths and Statistics, or the related fields. So if you are from any one of these streams, then you are eligible to apply. So if you are completed UG, or if you completed PG, or if you are retired also, you are eligible. But the thing is, if any student, any woman candidate is already enrolled in PhD program, they are not eligible to apply for this summer school. That is, those who are doing job and those who completed UG, those who completed masters also, PG also, any branch from these branches, computer science related, EEE, electrical, electronics and mathematics, statistics, or the related fields. If you are from these fields, then you are eligible to apply here. So, and what they are going to provide here, when we come to logistic here, so when we come to the travel reimbursement, whatever the place you are traveling from that place to Mumbai, as well as Mumbai railway station to the TIFR, Tata Institute of Foundational Research, whatever the amount you are spending on travel, they are going to reimbursement entire travel ticket. And if you go through other modes like bus or flight, if you travel, then they are going to pay at the maximum of AC 3 tire, and remaining you have to pay here. And they are also providing a facility for us. If you are traveling from one place to Mumbai, and in return you are traveling to some other place, that also they are going to consider. So in the case of accommodation also, they are going to provide the complete accommodation. For one room is provided for two participants here, and very good guest house they are going to provide. They are expecting you to arrive on Sunday 15th June 2025, and you need to vacate that particular room on 28th June 2025, that is Sunday. That is Sunday to Sunday. You are reaching Sunday to TIFR, and you are vacating on Sunday. So food expenses also taken care by Tata Institute of Foundation Research. So they are going to provide the food accommodation and everything. So when we come to the courses here, the first course they are going to offer is game theory, and this course will be a mathematical introduction to theory of games and look at different kinds of real life games, including voting in elections as well as selling items via action. Like this, they are going to provide the game theory course, and this is a prerequisite. So the prerequisites we need to take this course is the linear algebra. We need to have some basic fundamentals of linear algebra, probability, discrete mathematics. Like this, you are going to have some basic idea about these topics. Then only you are able to follow that course. The course they are offering is error correcting codes. The instructor is the Ram Prasad from TIFR. So this is a description. You can go through this, and the prerequisites is we need to have some idea about linear algebra, discrete probability, as well as the undergraduate algorithms. The third course they are offering is compressed sensing from TIFR. This is a description here, and generally this course is related to ML here. So in era of big data as well as big computing resources for ML, so to fully use these resources, we must leverage math to enable computation as well as exploit the structure in the natural world. So in short, the course will use linear algebra to play with set of compressed sensing. So like we are going to use CT as well as MRI scans here. And the next course they are going to offer is cryptography, and this is a description. We know the how the cryptography is playing very vital role in our daily life. So then these are the prerequisites to have the course called cybersecurity. So apart from the 15 days coursework, we are going to have special sessions also from eminent AICs. So when we come to the resources, what resources they are going to provide? Go through these frequently asked questions here. So I'm traveling with a family member, no, like this. There are FAQs are there. If you have any queries, go through these FAQs. Then and you can also communicate with them. And if you are interested in this particular course, simply you need to click on apply. So the deadline for the registration is 16th March 2025. So on or before this deadline, you have to register, so that in June you are going to be, if shortlisted, you are going to be invited for 2 weeks of free training. So when we click on this button, so go through this all these instructions here. Then click on the mail, first name and phone number. Then click on like this. There are 6 pages are there. You can fill all the 6 pages. So during the registration process, it will ask you the basic details like email, mobile number, and name. And after that, you have to give the name of the college, course, as well as which course you enrolled, major, minor, what is the percentage, and what is the position in the class. Like this. If you are PG, then you have to fill this. And when we come to the next page, it will ask you to upload your transcripts. You need to upload the memo of the previous semester. Then you have to select the courses which you have relevant knowledge in among these courses. Select multiple courses, whatever the courses you want to learn, and whatever the courses you have some idea. Click on the courses. Then you have to select, you have to type the name of the course which is related to this. And for example, if I am selecting machine learning, I learned one subject called introduction to machine learning in my course. Like this, you have to type here. Then click on next. So when we click on next, the last page, it will ask you the basic questions: what project you did till now, and what courses you need, what certification courses you done, like this. So fill all the details, then click on submit. So that's all for now. If you have any queries, need some help from my side regarding the application process as well as the submission process, simply comment on me so that I'll try to reply. Thank you. All the best.